Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sumit's Academic Zone. Today we'll be discussing about the project proposal performa. Most of the students has confusion what is project proposal performa and where can they find it and what is the use of project proposal performa. So I'm gonna answer all these questions today. So basically project proposal performa is a performa which you have to attach. It's just a kind of a sheet in your project guide book which has to be attached with your project proposal or synopsis. Okay, so basically you know what is the use of the project proposal performa. Now where you can find it, I'm gonna show you the way how can you find it. Okay, so go to your browser, right, and just you have to write the project code. So whatever your project code is, you just have to write here, just like MMPP01. MMPP01 is a project of Masters of Business Administration. Okay, so once you write the code of your project report, okay, you'll get the suggestion. The very first link you get, you have to click on it, right? MMPP001 project course. Okay, you just have to click on it. You can find the project guidebook. Okay, this is Masters of Business Administration's project work, MMPP001. Okay, so this is the guidebook of your project report. In each and every project's guidebook, you have to go at the bottom of the guidebook to find the project proposal performa. Okay, so you can see here the performa for approval of project proposal MMPP001. Okay, so this is the particular performa you have to attach with your project proposal. Okay, and in the same way, likewise, you have to find the project proposal performa for your project code. For let's take another example of this. Okay, like MECP0202. Okay, once you click MECP202, you'll get this particular link, MECP202 project work guide. Okay, once you click on it, the guide book will open. Okay, now you can see this is the project guide book of MECP202 Masters of Arts in Economics, MAEC. Okay, now in the same way you have to go at the bottom of this guideline. Okay, once you go there, you can see several annexures. However, we are finding the project proposal performa, so you can see here performa for approval of project proposal MECP202. Likewise, you can find your project proposal performa in the same way that I did. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope that this particular video helped you to find your project proposal performa. Have a wonderful day.